In this video, I want to show you how to log in to your WhatsApp on PC with your phone number. Sometimes WhatsApp may log you out and you may need to log in again. Or if you just install WhatsApp and want to log in, once you open WhatsApp, it will bring this page to log in. If I click on login, let's see, it will bring this QR code to log in. Sometimes when you scan this code, it will not work. In that case, you can easily use phone number to log in. To do that, scroll down and come to this login with phone number. Click on it. Then select your country and down here, enter your phone number. Let me enter my phone number here. Then after entering phone number, click on next. When you click on next, a code will be generated and also a notification will be sent to your phone to input this code. Let me bring my phone up here. So a notification has been sent to me to enter this code. So here is the notification. Let me click on it. If I click on it, it will open this page. Then I will have to confirm to be able to continue. So just come down here and click on confirm on your phone. Once you do that, it will open this page to enter this code on your phone. So here I will enter the same code that has been generated on my system. Let me enter the code. So immediately I enter the code, it will start to log me in on my phone. So in few seconds, I will be logged in. Yes, I'm logged in and on my system is loading my previous chats. You can see I've logged in on my phone. Then I can minimize my phone. Then this is loading my chats. In few seconds, all my previous chat will be loaded. Yes. So it brought this notification. I'll just click on continue. And you can see that I've logged in successfully using my phone number on my PC. Yes, if I bring my phone, let me go back like 2 steps. You can see that these are the same information on both devices. You can see that I've logged in. So let me minimize this. If I maximize my PC WhatsApp, you can see it. So this is how easy it is to log into your WhatsApp with phone number. Thank you for watching.